In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start or join Microsoft Teams meetings directly from Slack. This is perfect if your team lives in Slack but needs reliable cross-platform video conferencing with Microsoft Teams. First, we'll get the official Microsoft Teams Calls app installed. Head to the Slack app directory in your browser and search for Microsoft Teams Calls. Open the apps page and select Add to Slack. Make sure you're adding it to the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. If your organization restricts app installs, you may see a prompt to request approval from an admin. That's normal. Send the request and continue once it's approved. Next, Slack will ask you to grant permissions. These allow the app to post messages, create meeting links, and connect to your account. Click Allow to authorize access for your workspace. If you're unsure about any permission, you can review the scope details on the authorization screen, but for most teams, the default set is exactly what's needed. After that, you'll connect your Microsoft account. When prompted, sign in with the Microsoft account you use for Teams. If your company uses multiple tenants, be sure to pick the one where your Teams license lives. You may be asked for multi-factor authentication or to consent to the connection. Go ahead and complete those prompts. When it's done, you'll be returned to Slack and the app will be ready to use. Now you can start a call from any Slack channel or direct message. In the message box, type the /command /teams calls and send it. Slack will post a meeting link right in the conversation. Everyone in that channel or DM will see it and can click to join. If you use the command in a channel, it's available to all members of that channel. In a direct message, it's only visible to the people in that DM. That's helpful for keeping things private when needed. A few quick tips to make this smoother. You can run the command from desktop or mobile, and teammates can join from the Teams app or a web browser. If the Add to Slack button is disabled or you can't authorize the app, contact your Slack admin to grant access. If the meeting link doesn't appear, confirm the app is installed in your workspace and that your Microsoft account is connected. And for easy access later, consider pinning the meeting message in the channel. That's it. With the Microsoft Teams Calls app in Slack, launching a Teams meeting is as simple as sending one command.